Well, we are the team working under the project of streamlined buildings. Our team comprises of 4 members, and the main motto of the team is the construction streamlined building. Okay, discussing about the streamlined building, how we had attended this project, why we need to take up this project. All of us know that past 3 years, past 3 months, we know how the Hudud Tufan affected the Visakhapatnam city. Due to the Hudud Tufan, Visakhapatnam is totally affected and totally collapsed. And one thing to say that Visakhapatnam is totally drowned to say. All this is due to the very high winds and cyclones caused due to the Hudud Tufan. Can't our constructions withstand such kind of constructions? Yes, we can withstand such kind of constructions by constructing of a streamlined building. On behalf of discussing about streamlined building, I want to say what is a streamlined body. Streamlined body is the thing that it is the one which can attain very high, very low pressure for a certain velocity to the surface area. On the theory of flow says that as velocity increases, pressure decreases. In the same pattern, as the velocity decreases, pressure increases. In the same pattern, when the flow is flowing, it attains certain velocity. When this flow is moving and hitting to the building, the velocity is totally coming zero and the pressure is drastically increasing. Due to this increase in pressure force, the building is getting collapsed or getting damaged. Due to such kind of problems, the buildings are getting drowned and collapsed. So our team is totally focused such kind of projects, such kind of problems. So we had attended a solution called streamlined building. Streamlined building is nothing but we are adopting for the cars and even for trains. So the same theory of streamlined constructions is applied for the streamlined buildings. The main motto is that to reduce the pressure force acting on the building such that we can reduce the failure of the building for the even at high winds and cyclones. On behalf of that, our team had worked a very lot on the construction of the prototypes as well as construction, as well as blueprints, as well as designing. So I want to show our teamwork like constructing of the blueprints of the designing of streamlined building. Okay, coming to say that it is the general view of the construction that we are presently using. So our team has totally converted and to the streamlined building in such a way that it is the curvilinear path that we are adopting to the construction to the present one. By this, the flow is going to hit in such a way that only this area is getting to the influenced by the flow, and the remaining flow is just flows over the body by reducing the pressure and increasing friction drag. And it is one of the construction that we can adopt it, and the other is that formation of the windshield. Windshield is nothing but we cannot make a construction of a new building, streamlined building. So by making a very minor changes in the present constructions, we can make the body as a or the building as a streamlined by making a windshield in such a manner that by taking this as the midpoint and this is the joining, we had making a arc in such a way all the arcs are made. By this, the body is totally converted to streamlined to the bluff. From the bluff, it is a one kind of pattern that we had adopted for the present constructions. So on the future constructions, that what we are going to done, that is nothing but as for the building of a smart city, we need to build new buildings and constructions. So in such a way that we can make this kind of construction. This kind of construction is very effective on our designing and analysis part, because when the flow is going to hit, it is only hitting to this part and the flow is going to separate in this way. And if the flow is inserted from the front or back or sidewards, the flow pattern is in the same manner. So the pressure impact is only upon this part. So we can reduce the pressure force acting on the building. By this we can withstand the building even at very high velocities flow. And coming to our concept core, it is the top view of the building. As the front view of the building is common to every building, is depending upon the height that we required, and the top view is in the pattern that making the arc in such a way that converting the triangle into a semicircle. By this we can reduce the area of the impact of the flow acting on the body. By this we can reduce the pressure force. And it is the pattern concept of 5, and we making the and we are making the curvature at the top of the triangle. In the similar pattern we are making a slots in this way. By this we can make a flow separation in this pattern. By this we can reduce the pressure. And it is the heavy inlay concept that we are adopted and designed ourselves, but it is that aerofoil shape that it is mainly used in the construction of an aeroplane. It is the one which have very less drag force. Drag force is mainly caused due to the pressure. So to reduce that kind of pressure force, this type of constructions are used. It is nothing but this construction is very high in nature. It is used in the construction of very high buildings such as industries, factories, and as well as institutions and ventures. In such a way we can use this kind of constructions to withstand very high velocity of flows. And finally, to say that it is our last concept, number 7, and it is none other than slotted building. By hearing this slotted building, we know that this kind of building can work or not. But we know that the construction of the building mainly depending upon the strength. That strength is mainly based upon the construction of the pillars as well as slab. But my slots does not impact any such kind of things. My holes are placed upon the slab of 30 mm of holes which is passes throughout the building. So this very minor slots does not make any impact on the building. By this we can reduce even the pressure acting on the body. And this is the top view of the building that we are going to construct, is that making a curvilinear path, because on the front view, on front side and the back side of the flow we can reduce the pressure. But in the exceptional cases such as side flow, even though the building should withstand, so we are making curvilinear path. By this we can reduce the pressure acting on the body. And this is the blueprint that we have made regarding the streamlined buildings. And very small thing is to say that it is the designs that we are made in CATIA. It is a concept number 1, and it is a concept number 2 of the streamlined building, and it is a concept number 3 of the streamlined building. It is a concept number 4, and finally it is a concept number 5. These are the 5 concepts that we have made on the designing of the CATIA, and now we need to analysis on this body whether it works efficiently or not. We surely guarantee that these are effective in pressure reduction, and we hope that this project will have a great success. Thank you.